last, we have Mr. Teiichi Goto, President, Representative Director, and Chief Executive Officer of FUJIFILM Corporation. Please.
Hello, Mr. Gates. I'm Teiichi Goto, FUJIFILM President and CEO. FUJIFILM portable X-ray technology is vital for ending tuberculosis. Of 10 million TB cases annually, 4 million people don't have access to timely diagnosis and treatment because many medical facilities lack diagnostic equipment. This is unjust. We can change the world together. FUJIFILM is a pioneer for the WHO recommended TB screening of chest X-ray with AI. This X-ray, a lightweight battery-operated X-ray system, can be easily taken to any remote area. With AI-powered diagnostic support, it is revolutionizing TB screening, providing 2 primary health centers in towns and villages worldwide with X-ray can expand access to TB screening. Moreover, X-ray can be used to diagnose other elements as well as enhance the medical function of primary health centers overall. Through the Global Fund and the UN, we are starting to supply X-ray to various countries, and I'm speaking with top Japanese government leaders to increase the Global Fund contributions. Supplying this product is a game changer for global health. But there is more. We are developing software to centrally monitor worldwide real-time TB trends from screening and medication dispensing to treatment. With this software and X-ray, all stakeholders can identify support and resource needs for efficient TB controls. I declare that FUJIFILM will never stop until we stop the world suffering from TB. Mr. Gates, will you get behind this vision for a world that is better with FUJIFILM? Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Mr. Goto. Now we'll take time for Mr. Bill Gates to comment on each of the presentations.
So as Mr. Goto shared, as of 2020, it was estimated that over 4 million cases of unreported tuberculosis cases were globally, and diagnosis of tuberculosis in rural areas is in dire need, especially within this COVID pandemic. How do you think, Bill, about the new technology developed by FUJIFILM will help supporting solving this issue with TB?
You know, obviously, I mostly know the consumer face of FUJIFILM,
Yes.
but also when we were looking during COVID at making antibodies, they were a great partner stepping forward on that. The TB diagnosis, as you say, is super important because the longer you go before you're diagnosed, you're actually infecting other people. You know, you're coughing and that is spreading TB. And also the ability to treat you and have your lung function fully restored, the sooner we get you, the better. And there's been a lot of very bad diagnostic tools. Some of the diagnostic tools are too expensive. And so I'll go to our TB team and learn more, because I think India is a market that you're doing the learning in, and India for us is we do a lot of our tuberculosis learning there as well. And so I didn't know about the Xair, but it sounds like a great innovation that, starting with India, but then to the other developing countries, we should try and help get it out there.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Now, after the presentation of the 10 participating companies, we would like to ask Mr. Bill Gates, co-chair of the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, to give us his overall comments. Mr. Gates, please.
Well, part of the reason I love the work I do is that I get to learn new things all the time. And so many of those presentations had opportunities to take innovation and help in developing countries in ways that I hadn't understood before. I hope you also enjoyed it and you got a sense that, you know, the Japanese business community in many ways brings skills even beyond the incredible drug design, vaccine design, diagnostic design, you know, in many other areas, including logistics, AI, financing, that really all of that has to come together to make the progress that we've made. You know, we can talk about this as, you know, a new form of capitalism where you're both, you know, adding employees, increasing profits, but also, you know, making sure that whatever skills you have, they connect to helping those most in need. You know, I'd put health at the top of the list there. Obviously, there's other things like climate that the new capitalism is going to have to address. You know, getting this group together has worked out incredibly well. It's a novel thing that maybe we should do in other countries, but the voice of these business leaders and saying what they're seeing and how they're working is, I think, going to be a key element in the next phase where we fix the problems that started because of the pandemic and then resume the incredible improvements. So global health is a fascinating topic, and I hope we've given you enough of a glimpse that you decide to learn more. Thank you.